Hello viewers, today I'll show you my very own original hot and spicy duck curry recipe. I've taken inspiration from Oriental Duck recipes and added my own special twist to it. The result is an absolutely fantastic duck curry recipe. Here I have one duck with its skin on, chopped into several large pieces, as well as 10 to 12 shallots halved, and some grated fresh turmeric, 4 tablespoons of garlic puree, some cloves, star anise, mace, green cardamoms and cinnamon sticks, 6 large dry red chilies and some dry kaffir lime leaves, 2 tablespoons of ginger powder, 4 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds, 1 block of palm sugar and some dry desiccated coconut, a bit of tamarind paste, some coconut cream, some fish sauce, and some dark soya sauce. Let's marinate the duck with some dark soya sauce, rub it in, and then keep the duck aside. In the meantime, roast all the whole spices in a frying pan. Add the hard spices first, and then add the coriander seeds, followed by the cumin seeds into the pan. Make sure that you don't burn the spices. We are now going to take out the roasted spices and ground them into a powder. Put it in a grinder and grind them into a powder. That's the heavenly spice powder. Heat some oil in a large pot. Then add the shallots into the pot and fry them for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add the duck pieces into the pot. Then fry the duck with the shallots for 4 to 5 minutes. Till they have a nice color to them. Then add the garlic puree into the pot and blend it in. Then add the grated turmeric into the pot and give it a mix. Then add half of the roasted spice powder into the pot, followed by the ginger powder, and blend it all together. Add a bit of water to deglaze the pot. Scrape off the masala stuck at the bottom of the pot, as well as on the sides. Now add enough water to cook the duck. Scrape off the sides of the pot. Add salt according to your taste. Then put the lid on and cook on low flame for at least 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, take the lid off and add 1 teaspoon of tamarind paste into the pot. Give it a mix. Then add some dashes of fish sauce into the pot, followed by 2 tablespoons of coconut cream. Blend it in. Then add the juice of 1 lime into the pot and the powdered desiccated coconut. Mix it in. Add a bit more salt if needed, and the rest of the roasted spice powder. Mix everything together. Then add the crushed palm sugar and mix it in. And that's our amazing hot and spicy duck curry ready. Doesn't it look gorgeous? Let's plate up my unbelievably delicious duck curry. Garnish with some chopped spring onions and serve ideally with rice or noodles. This truly is one of the most delicious duck curries that I have ever tasted. It's hot, spicy, tangy, and the taste stays with you forever. Give my very own duck curry recipe a try and enjoy.